Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and today we are on day 5 of our 10-day Pilates challenge. We have a total body shred workout coming your way, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna start off with a standing roll down. This is kind of, I guess, will act as a stretch, but also a full body workout exercise. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're just standing up nice and tall. We're first starting with our neck, dropping our chin, and we're just rolling down our vertebrae. Just like that, till we get to our hips. And now we're hinging over. Keep those legs straight if you can. Just slide on down, see if you can get to your toes. Stay there for a couple, and then we're rolling right back up. Boom, don't worry about speed for this, right? Get that full body stretch. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. See, you don't need to do a whole bunch of those in order to feel satisfied with them, those 30 seconds, but do as many as you can do to feel, you're loose, you're limber, ready to go. So anyway, next we have a leg extension with an arm reach. 2 ways you can do this. The main one, obviously, is gonna be with your legs. All we're doing is bringing our knee up, extending, bringing it back, and dropping. With our arms, you can have arms out in front of you as you do it, like that, or arms near your ears, overhead. Boom. Pick your poison or cure, whatever you want. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I'm gonna do arms overhead. So we're just bringing our leg up, extending, dropping, alternating legs here. This works out your balance, your core, upper arm strength, leg strength, all of it. Again, speed is not the goal here. Let's be smooth with it. And breathe. Also, don't worry about getting super high with these. Wherever your knee goes, get your ankle to follow. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have a side leg lift. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So all we're doing is lifting our leg up to the side, pointing with the blade of our foot right here, right? Up, down. And we're just alternating. See if you can hold out your leg. Like, don't just let your leg drop. Fight against gravity. All right, really feel it in your side body here. There it is. I'm telling you, it's these small little things you feel like aren't doing much, but you're gonna be fatigued. 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, next we have a spinal twist. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Feet a little past shoulder width apart. Arms to your side. You can do palms up, palms down, up to you. And all we're doing is twisting from side to side. There it is. Slow and steady here. Just like that. And breathe through it. 3, 2, 1, done. Last, pyramid pose. Again, don't hate me that I'm not a Pilates expert. I guess this is technically more yoga. But this is gonna be more of a stretch. We're just trying to lengthen our legs, our back, you'll see. All you're doing is stepping backwards with one leg. You want your hips square, right? So if I'm here, I'm stepping back so my hips are still pointed forward. You're here, and all you're doing is hinging from your hips. Get your back flat, and you're gonna feel it all in the back of your legs here. I believe the correct way is you want both legs straight as you're down here, but if you can't, just focus at least getting that front leg straight, and that back leg can be a little, have a little bend to it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So just hinge from your hips. If you can get all the way down to the ground, I cannot. Feel free, or at very least get your back to parallel to the ground and feel the stretch in the back of your leg here. We'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. 3, 2, 1, and switch. You're stepping back again, hips pointed forward, hinging. Boom, just like that. Oh yeah, I feel it. 3, 2, 1, and up. And there you have it. That is our total body shred. Day 5 done. Set 1, I should say. We're not done yet. We start set 2 right now. Standing roll down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, 1, done. A leg extension with arm reach. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Side leg lift. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Spinal twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Pyramid pose. 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, done. All right, great job. 2 out of 3 done. 1 more set remains. You got this. Let's push it right here. Standing roll down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. A leg extension with arm reach. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Side leg lift. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Spinal twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Pyramid pose, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, done. And that is your day 5 of your 10-day Pilates workout challenge done and dusted. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me in this workout, and tune in tomorrow. Day 6 is coming your way, so be prepared. And thank you so much for joining me with this workout, and I will see you later. So stay strong, my friend. Peace.